opposite words. Big, small, big, small. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Fast, slow, fast, slow. Old, new, old, new. Hard, soft, hard, soft. Full, empty, full, empty. Clean, dirty, clean, dirty. Open, close, open, close. Day, night, day, night. Young, old, young, old. Sweet, bitter, sweet, bitter. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Rich, poor, rich, poor. Strong, weak, strong, weak. Happy, sad, happy, sad. Tall, short, tall, short. Loud, quiet, loud, quiet. Up, down, up, down. Heavy, light, heavy, light. Thick, thin, thick, thin.